How to fix Capcut not installing on your device. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your Capcut is not working. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so the things that you have to keep in mind is the first thing is that you have a stable internet connection. So if you're using mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi network and vice versa. And you have to verify if you have storage available on your device or not. And then verify if there are any updates for your Android. And finally, find out if the CapCut is compatible with your device or not. So for that, you first need to open up your phone settings, head over to the app section, and from here just find Google Play Store. So I'm just going to search for Play Store here. And once you find it, just tap on Google Play Store. And from here, make sure to head over to storage and clear its cache. So once you do that, you can clear its data once if you want as well. And then from here, you just give your phone a quick restart like this. And once you restart your phone, head over to Play Store and search for CapCut. And from here, you should be able to install the CapCut from here. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.